You know you ratchet if you're a female and participated in No Shave November. You ready, girl? Yeah. What the? How's it going there, peeps? And welcome to... You know you ratchet when if you scratch a lot that your hair falls off.
Ooh, girl, my hair fell off. Ooh, my gum.
You are a ratchet. If you're taking a picture and you see the counter that your ass looks like, but when you stand up, it looks like...
Ooh, that's nice.
Bitch, where did that all go? You are a ratchet. If you're at church and answer the phone, and the Lord, our salvation, will come to an end, and nobody else will save our lives.
Ooh, that's nasty. Hello?
You are a ratchet. If you're at the club, pregnant, you are a freaking ratchet.
Yeah.
If you start your relationship in the show Murray, you are a ratchet. And the results are in for the daughter of Maria Jason de Estrada. Michael, you are the father.
Ooh, yeah. Ooh, yeah. Say that again.
He is the father.
One more time.
Is the father. Oh Lord Jesus, please save me. Bitch is the devil. If you use old food stamps for the new stamps, you are a motherfucking ratchet.
Girl, you know how to have money or a job to go buy food? Girl, you should still have one of your old mails laying around your house. You know what you do? You should peel off the old one and replace it with the new one.
If you take duck pictures in the bathroom, you are a ratchet. Thank you guys for watching. You know you ratchet when. If you liked it, please rate, comment, and subscribe. And please share it on Facebook or Twitter. Remember, stay awesome. Peace. And shout out to Jessica, Nibbles, Renee, Anthony, Boris, Rowley, and Teal.